Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce inconsistency in language with FluentU easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your FluentU account. If you do not have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you will see various language options available. Select the language you wish to improve. After selecting your language, explore the available content. FluentU offers videos, interactive captions, and vocabulary lists. Choose a video that interests you. Watch the video fully to get a sense of the context. Take note of any unfamiliar words or phrases. Utilize the interactive captions feature to understand the language better. Pause the video as needed to absorb the material. Rewatch segments to reinforce your comprehension. Next, practice with the vocabulary list associated with the video. This list provides definitions and usage examples. Try to use these new words in sentences of your own. Consider jotting them down in a notebook for reference. After practicing vocabulary, revisit the video. Listen for the words and phrases you previously noted. This will help solidify what you have learned. Now, take advantage of FluentU's quizzes. Quizzes will test your knowledge and reinforce your understanding. It's a good idea to challenge yourself regularly. Try watching a new video each week to maintain consistency. As your confidence grows, increase the difficulty of your selections. Engage with the content by discussing it in language forums. This helps reinforce your learning through community interaction. Finally, set aside time each day to practice. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.